welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a good Christmas Eve. I'm back to unbox the gift for the 24th from the Madam Glam Advent Calendar, which I'm super excited for since this is one of the bigger packages. So yeah, let me just get my scissors so we can go ahead and unbox it really quick. I don't want to keep you guys too long. I know you guys are probably spending time with your family. So yeah, this is what we're looking like for the 24th. The box is looking pretty big. I'm gonna try to guess what it is. I'm thinking it's polygel for some reason. I just have that feeling. Let's see if I'm right this time. It sure is. Ooh, these are nice. So it's two of the same color. Let me zoom you in. So it's two polygels. They're the same color. And the color is called Sugar and Spice. I'm not sure what color this is. It might be like a temperature change color. I'm not really sure because if you look on the front of the bottle, it looks like it goes from red to pink. So let me just open it up really quick and take a look. Okay, so it does look like it's going to be a red shade, as you can see, but maybe it does change to pink. I don't know, there's only one way to find out is to swatch it, I guess. So let me get my swatch stick. All right, so I got my swatch stick and I'm gonna be using the polygel brush that came with the Madam Glam Advent Calendar. It's a really nice brush, as you can see. So yeah, let's swatch this color and find out if it's gonna be red, pink, or both. So I'm excited to see. Definitely a nice Christmas color. And this is a 15 milliliter bottle, by the way. So it is a pretty big size. Ooh, this polygel applies really, really nicely. It's soft, but it's like not like too soft. It's just like the right consistency. It's not like real sticky or anything like that. All right, so this is what the color is looking like. It's super pigmented, and don't mind the side of the swatch stick. I got polygel on it. Okay, there we go. But yeah, it's a really, really pretty color. I love this shade of red. So I'm gonna cure it and see if it changes colors. So I just took the swatch out of the lamp, and as you can see, it is a temperature change color. It goes from that really nice deep red shade to this really light pink, which is so crazy how it could go from like that really dark color to a really, really light color like this. But I really do like both of the shades. They're really, really pretty. So yeah, this was definitely a nice surprise from Madam Glam. Thank you guys for joining me today. I know you guys are probably busy with your family and stuff like that, but I hope you guys have a really nice Christmas, and I'll be back for tomorrow's big giant gift that I've been waiting the entire month for, and we'll be doing the unboxing for that one tomorrow. But yeah, I'm about to go enjoy myself, hang out with my family, get one of those holiday drinks in, if you know what I mean. I've been dying for a drink. Like, it's really about time for one, especially with how this year's been going. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's unboxing. Bye. Love you guys.